Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISS MS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. Welcome back to my second session of Breakfast Part 2. Let us understand the objectives of this session. By the end of this topic, student can learn about how to set up cover for breakfast. They can also acquire skill for breakfast service procedure and to know difference in breakfast and its cover setup. Introduction. Breakfast is the meal eaten in the morning. The word in English refers to breaking the fasting period of the previous night. Breakfast menus varies widely from place to place. A very wide range of preparation and ingredients are now associated with breakfast. Continental breakfast cover. Let us understand what all things we require to do the cover setup of continental breakfast. First one, we required side plate with side knife, napkin. We require breakfast cup and saucer with teaspoon. And the table accompaniments which is kept on table itself, we require badwas, preserved dish on an underliner with preserved spoon. We require sugar bowl with spoon if it is sugar cubes. Table number. Service procedure of continental breakfast. First one, following is the service sequence for continental breakfast. First, we have to serve the juice if offered and clear the juice glass. Next, we have to serve coffee or tea as requested by guest. After serving, place the pots on the table itself. Then the third one, place the toast rack, bread basket with butter dish and open the butter dish slightly. Some guests continue having juice throughout the breakfast. In that case, the glass need not be clear. Clear it when it is empty. It is the image of continental breakfast. You can see here in this picture the glass of juice. Then we are giving tea, coffee also. Some of the things also we are giving along with that. Okay, so this is all the setup of continental breakfast. English breakfast. What is English breakfast? And what will be the cover for this? English breakfast cover required side plate with side knife, fish knife and fork. It required large knife and fork, dessert spoon and fork, breakfast cup and saucer with teaspoon. Here it is the image of the English breakfast. Okay, in this picture you can see the preparations of egg, breads. Okay, it is given to the guest. Continue with the table accompaniments required for English breakfast would be badwas, preserved dish on an underliner with preserved spoon, sugar bowl with sugar cubes, cruet set and table number. English breakfast service procedure. Following is the service sequence for English breakfast. Serve the juice and clear if the glass is empty. Serve stewed fruits if ordered in a bowl or compote dish on an underplate with teaspoon and clear the dish when finished. Serve breakfast cereals in a bowl on an underplate with hot or cold milk. Leave the milk pot on the table itself with granulated sugar in a sugar bowl with teaspoon. Clear the bowl and milk pot if sugar sachet are placed for beverages. Take away the granulated sugar. Serve coffee and tea as requested. After serving, place the pots on the table. Place the toast rack, bread basket with butter dish. Place the large plate with breakfast egg preparation, ham, bacon, kidney liver, fried grilled fish, category with grilled tomatoes, potatoes and mushrooms. Place the large plate with the breakfast preparation. Then clear the joint plate from the right hand side and side plate of the from the left hand side and present the bill to the host. American breakfast. American breakfast cover setup required side plate with side knife. It required large knife and fork, dessert spoon and fork, breakfast cup and saucer with teaspoon, napkin, water goblet and glass, or either glass we can say. Continue with the table accompaniments required for American breakfast would be badwas, preserved dish on an underliner with preserved spoon, sugar bowl, to cruet set and table number. Here is the image of the American breakfast. You can see here in this picture how the American breakfast it is generally served. American breakfast service procedure. Following is the service sequence for American breakfast. Serve chilled water. Serve the juice and clear if the glass is empty from the right hand side. Serve stewed fruits if ordered in a bowl or a compote dish on an underplate with teaspoon and clear from the right hand side. Serve breakfast cereals in a bowl on an underplate from the right hand side. Place hot or cold milk and granulated sugar in a sugar bowl with teaspoon on the table for cereals. Clear the bowl and milk pot from the right hand side. If sugar cubes or sachet are placed for beverages, take away the granulated sugar. Serve coffee or tea as requested. After serving, place the pots on the table. Place the toast rack bread basket with butter dish. Continue with next. Place the waffle with honey and sugar syrup and or muffins or donut. Place the large plate with breakfast egg preparation with ham, bacon, kidney, liver and grilled tomatoes or either potatoes or either mushrooms. Clear the full plate from the right hand side and side plate of from the left hand side and present the bill to the guest. Indian breakfast. Cover for Indian breakfast would be side plate, all purpose knife and fork, dessert spoon, breakfast cup and saucer, water goblet or either glass, and napkin. Continue. The table accompaniments required for this cover setup would be badwas, sugar bowl with sugar cubes, cruet set, pickle pot if you're serving parathas, and table number. Indian breakfast service procedure. Following is the service sequence for Indian breakfast. Serve water from the right hand side. Place the juice or lassi and clear the glass from the right hand side. Place vada, idli, dosa from the right hand side and place the varieties of chutney and sambar on the table at the head of the cover. Clear the soil plate and accompaniments please. Place paratha, puri bhaji, chapati from the right hand side and place accompanying gravies and pickle at the head of the cover. Pickle with parathas always serve. Okay, serve the coffee and tea as requested. After serving, place the pots on the table. Present the bill to the host. If cornflakes, toast, bread is requested, it should be placed on the table with preserves and butter before the beverages. Most Indian guests take the beverage after the main dish. If required during the service, it should be served. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Please let me know if you have any kind of query or questions. Have a great time. Thank you. Find below mentioned references given for this video.